I believe that this Sport Springs actually dropped my car about almost ½ inch, close to 1 inch. And it made a big difference. I mean, obviously I gotta be more careful now with my front lip. I gotta be more careful with dips and all that, and side, just the entrance of the sidewalks and all that stuff. But honestly, all that stuff is very minor with just how the overall car looks. And I gotta tell you, deleting that gap, #gap delete, made a big difference in the overall look and aesthetics of my car. And I'm so grateful for Keys Motorsports. Guys, if you have not gotten yourself lowering springs, get them from Keys Motorsports. I gotta tell you, my car, it's not much of a difference from the M Sport suspension as far as the way it feels, handling and all that stuff. It honestly didn't get worse if that's what you're afraid of. It feels the same way. It's a little bit stiffer because there's sport springs, but it actually just, the only difference is just the loweredness of it. The loweredness, yeah, you get what I'm saying. It just dropped it by like ½ inch or so, and it made a big difference on just my overall wheel setup and just how it looks. So now I am 100% satisfied on just how everything looks, how the fitment of the wheel, the rim, the ride height, it all fits perfectly, guys.